to guys. So mag-boat tour me. Look at that beautiful view. What na ito? Just over there. So may pa-cable car sila guys, going down and going up. Hindi lang kami sumakay. Ito yung papunta ka sa ano, sa boat tour. So mayroon sila guys, rabbit na made of scratch or what kind of thing is that they used?
Scrap metal. Yeah.
So yan yung cable car guys. O dyan, sana sumakay na kami. Pero exercise din. Tapos dyan, tapos papunta over there, balik. So ito yung sasakyan namin guys. Ito is from the group, dance group ni Kevin. Live view. Kayong akuan guys, kung ito man makauban ni Kevin. Guys, may paano ka. Ito na yung makauban ni Kevin sa dance nila. Dance party po siyang dance tour. Cars. Very good yung winter. Like they have fun. Yung si banana oh. Like this papers. Very good weather. Monastery na siya guys, nasa taas. Pero not sure kung open. Marang sarado na siya. Not sure. Hindi kami gikan ganihan. So there's a cable car. Nice. Hindi ko alam pinapay. Sige, try it over there. Subway. How long? Ano kung bana guys, oh. Hindi kayo siya ginalingan. Subscribe nila. Like na kami adik. So, there's today. Walking tour. So, mga siya ko guys. Mga mga kauban, mga siyang mga kasama ni Banana sa dance. Ito yung so guys, so hindi masayang yung ano nyo, yung gulong na hindi na ginagamit. Oh, meron pa doon. Diba? Ang cute. Super nice, guys. May nag-fishing doon, no? We are under the bridge. Tayo makita dito. Guys, hala sayaw. Video lang talaga ako guys, wala masyadong picture. Ganito talaga pag group tour. Pwede ka mag-shopping, shopping. Daming people here, guys. Wow.
There's two. Yes, yeah.
Guys. Cute. So, ito siya, guys. Ang ganito, guys. Dito sa other side. Kami matapos aming walking tour, guys. Ito siya, guys. So, andyan yung hotel namin. Andyan. Malapit na talaga kami makakain, charot. So very good ang weather today, guys, because it's supposed to be raining, but look at that, it's very sunny and sobrang daming tao at may nagwiwelga. Ito yung hotel namin.